Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to tell you how to be private on X. So in order to be private on X, the most significant action you can take is to protect your posts. That in other words is making your account private. So let's do that step by step together. First of all, open X on your phone and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now you have to scroll down until you reach settings and privacy. Here, as you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go specifically to section that's called privacy and safety. Now from here, go to audience and tagging. And finally, at the very top of your screen, you should see this option that says protect your posts. So please turn this on. And if you turn this on, if you enable this option, your account from this moment will be private. So basically how it works, only your current followers on X are able to see your posts on your page, and any new people who want to follow you on X must manually send you follower request, and you must either approve it or decline it. There is a specific dedicated page on X where you can do that. Let me show you. You have to tap your profile picture once again, and here, as you can see, this menu is divided into different sections. You want to tap on follower requests, and from here you can manage your new followers on X. You can accept them or decline them. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.